Hello. Today we'll be talking about the verb êTRE, which is to be in English. So let's start with this famous sentence. Être ou ne pas être. Can you guess the missing part? The answer will be given at the end of the video. So let's conjugate je suis, which means I am. Je suis. So let's take an example. Je suis grand. Je suis grand. I am tall. We're talking about the height here. Next, tu es. Tu es. You are. For example, tu es petit. Tu es petit. You are small. Il, elle est. Il, elle est. He, she is. First example. Il est intelligent. Il est intelligent. He is clever. Elle est intelligente. Elle est intelligente. She is clever. So, notice the E here for the feminine form. Let's summarize. Je suis, tu es, il, elle est. Il est, elle est. These are the singular forms of the verb être in the present tense. Alright, time to reveal the missing part of the sentence. So, être ou ne pas être, telle est la question. So, which is the famous to be or not to be? That is the question, obviously. Thanks for watching. See you next time.